This elegant colonial is set in the back of a quiet cul-de-sac in the desirable village in the woods. Lovely hardwood floors span the home's sunny layout, including the formal dining room and the quiet sitting room, which makes a great potential first-floor home office. Through the French doors is a spacious living room with a picturesque window where you can enjoy the company of others by the brick fireplace. The Spacious Eat-in kitchen features maple cabinets and a center island. Completing the main level is a half bath and a mudroom that accesses the attached garage. At the rear of the home, the expansive deck looks out over the private wooded lot adorned by a classic stone wall. Upstairs, the large master suite includes a walk-in closet and an ensuite bath with a dual sink vanity, shower, and whirlpool tub. 2 additional bedrooms are also on this level and share a full hall bath. The bonus room over the garage makes for an excellent playroom or 4th bedroom and has a laundry area. Located in peaceful Greenville, Village in the Woods is the homeowners association with single-family homes all deeded as condos. Shop nearby at either the Apple Valley Mall or the Smithfield Crossing. Both offer a variety of retail and dining options. Take a scenic walk at the Snake Den State Park or play a round of golf at a nearby course like the Gloucester Country Club. This serene village is only a 25-minute commute from the award-winning restaurants and entertainment options in Providence. For more information, call Ted Bork of the Leading Group at area code 401-749-1699.